Okay, yes, and we are about to wrap up the loop and ready to test. And I put in some code in between this, the 8 and the 7 tutorial to exposing. So what I've done is that I have work out this O node element where I set an O node, and hopefully that you will detect and this O node to keep track of the previous node, O node actually, and because you have to have the transition. The transition is governed by the ADWF node next. So this is the model class that extend the node next on the here. So it will take the present node and create this transition tab, and then we try to save it, and let's see, and then finally save the workflow, and we have to attach a menu. Okay, now most of the time in programming we will copy and paste code. So here, creating a menu to attach the new workflow, I looking at some sample codes, and I just take this along, copy, and try and paste it here. Right. So fix up the read marks. Okay. And it needs a window. So I think it will be workflow, get name, and we will not be setting window, we will be setting workflow ID. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, let's get back track. I believe his workflow ID. Let's punch it in. Yes, it seems to get it. So again, you can always mouse over and it tells you what to do. Change to here. Okay, you're fixing, and the action is a workflow. Control space. Yep. Entity type, I believe you just put a U there. This should be it. So now we are ready to test it. Fine. So should put a break. Yeah, we have a break here. Let's go to the debug perspective. And where's the other? We can remove this. Okay. So get back to here, and now we can try testing. Okay, we should now, maybe you like to make this a bit longer. You could do this thing. Sorry, you could go to the design mode, and what are we designing? Yes, the workflow generator. Okay, we have that. Go to the first step. Let's go to the tab editor, and okay, it's supposed to be longer. This will do. This will do. And in the grid mode, let's look at the grid mode. Let's do a cache reset in case this thing was set in the cache. Do it and call it again. Okay, to make it longer, I think we will do it. Save the column width. Okay. So with this here. Okay. Workflow name. So we'll say good workflow equals try to notes. So let's have so we must know the name of Windows. Let's get the name of Windows out. So you make a workflow attaching to Windows. Let's get a simple to window out. Let's have this 1099 box and ASP modules. How about that? How about that? Box. Let's try. Okay, is here. This is the fun part, and of course I expect errors, and this is the best way to learn. So let's say we split. Yeah, 109 box and ASP modules. It's going to split out. So it's going to check whether it exists. The first workflow does not exist because good workflow does not exist, and now it's going to create it. This is where I expect an error. Let's say, boom, we went through. Oh, node, go for the node. The first one, the first node, null. This is a bit tricky. What if this node has existed before? So this is not complete. Let me put a note. They should in conjunction with in addition to workflow ID, because that node may have existed in another workflow. That's what I meant, but it does not seem to be. So it's going to create one, and that's where you're going to set the workflow ID. We're going to look for the window. Okay, window is not now. There's such a window. Was on a box. Now it's going to set it in the window, and then it's going to save it. This is where error should occur, and let's see if it does. Yes, it does. So let's see what it is. But you get the idea now that and then we're going to put a stop to it. Column does not null constraint. Oh, workflow ID was null, right? Workflow ID was. So here you should have not set AD workflow ID. What should be the workflow ID? It should be the workflow get ID. Okay, so this should shut it up, and let's put so it did not get saved because we call things by transaction name and we save by transaction name, so rollback they occur. So let's run it again. Bum. Go. Let's trace one by one. Bump, bump. Another error occur. Means another column is still missing. Let's look at what it is this time, and it will tell you here. Perhaps it's not properly cached the code, so I saved the code. Yes, it's safe. Perhaps we need to restart. No problem. So stop it and restart, and now end here, and probably I continue on another tutorial if things were solved and new things to be taught. At least for here, you understand about completing the code and going for the tests and what is normally expected. See you then.